Do you like kayaking or camping by the lake? If you come to Thailand these days, camping like this is becoming a fad. This place is just an example of camping or dome camping. This is Spa Tong camping, which is in Suphanburi province. The dome camping like this costs about 2,500 baht until 3,000 baht, depends on the days and the seasons. From Bangkok it's around 4 hours to drive here. Between November and February considered a good weather to come here. Not summer. Summer is between March and May.
See, we are ready for the steak by the lake. Steak.
โอ้ใหญ่มากสีสนิม
Seasoning. And why? Why? By the lake. This is gonna be really my first time doing this charcoal thing.
Oh, seasoning. This is a huge steak. We just bought it from Quartier last night. It's gonna be fun.
This is steak. Oh, that looks really good.